2021 we have dedicated to being a more sustainable resort, and we have pledged to have sustainability at the heart of absolutely everything that we do. But we need your help because we're going to be doing mixed recycling across the resort. When you check in, you'll find a welcome pack and a plastic bag in your caravan. Please use this plastic bag to store your mixed recycling in, and you'll be able to recycle everything that you do at home. In your mixed recycling bag you can put cardboard, paper, newspapers, cans, drinks cans and food cans, clear plastic, no black plastic please, and flat packed cardboard. Any wine bottles or beer bottles that you may have, you can keep in the crate underneath the cupboard and use that crate to be able to take it to the recycling point. Please don't put any coffee cups or takeaway packaging into your mixed recycling bags, as that means we won't be able to recycle that bag. You can find where your nearest recycling area is on your map or the app. There are lots of signs pointing you in the right direction. The person taking the recycling must be over 16 years old. When you get to the recycling area, just put your clear bag into the green bins, your general waste into the blue bins, and any glass into the big domes.
If you are camping or touring with us, please continue to recycle as you would at home, separating glass, mixed recycling and rubbish, and taking these to the large recycling points in each field.
Thank you for recycling and helping us make HRU a more sustainable resort for years to come.